Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find the number of real roots of the given equation. So we are given modulus x square minus 3 times modulus x plus 2 equals to 0. Let modulus x equals to m, then our equation will become m square minus 3 times m plus 2 equals to 0. We can write this equation as m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 equals to 0. Now take m common from the first two terms. We get m bracket m minus 2. Now take minus 1 common from the last two terms. We get m minus 2 in the bracket equals to 0. And when we further solve this, m minus 1 times m minus 2 equals to 0. We get m minus 1 equals to 0 and m minus 2 equals to 0. So the value of m equals to 1 and value of m equals to 2. And we know m is equal to modulus x. So when m equals to 1, that is modulus x equals to 1. So we know when we remove the modulus, we get two values of x, that is x equals to plus 1 minus 1. And similarly, when the value of m equals to 2, in this case modulus x equals to 2, here we get the value of x equals to plus 2 minus 2. So the number of real roots of the given equation is 4, that is plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.